Is it time to buy or sell SUNation Energy stock? In this video, we will explore SUNation Energy in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, and now we're here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the second day of January in 2025, our system has ranked SUNation Energy as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.88. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock experienced a loss of 98.37%. This translates to an average loss of -1.39% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock has broken a significant and descending short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is evident, which may indicate an early signal of a shift in trend. During this reaction, there will be support at the ceiling of the current trend that has been breached, which stands at approximately 4.58 cents. This level could provide a second opportunity for a breakout. According to fan theory, 79.6 cents is anticipated to be the next possible peak level, presenting a resistance that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of merely 98.75% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 100% and 101.40%. Our latest daily update for SUNation Energy includes the headline: significant movements in SUNation Energy Inc. stock price on Tuesday, fluctuating 41.21% between high and low. The SUNation Energy Inc. stock price experienced a gain of 42.86% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025. Rising from 0.0287 to 0.0410. It has now seen gains for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to observe whether this trend continues or if a slight pause occurs in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 41.21%, with a day low of 0.0330 and a day high of 0.0466. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 86.05% over this period. The trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which serves as a positive technical indicator, with a total of 479 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 822 million shares changed hands for approximately $33.70 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $7.57. While the lowest was 0.0143. Currently, the price is 99.46%, or $7.53, below the 52-week high of $7.57, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. SUNation Energy Inc., with the ticker symbol SUNE, has been actively enhancing its financial stability through a series of recent transactions. On the 9th of April, the company announced significant improvements to its balance sheet, enabling better cash flow and greater financial flexibility to support long-term growth goals. This build-up in financial strength, including the completion of a $5 million direct equity offering earlier this month, positions SUNE favorably in the market, potentially boosting investor confidence and positively impacting its stock price in the short term. Additionally, the company has successfully retired $9.4 million in senior and junior secured debt, emphasizing its commitment to reducing liabilities and enhancing overall financial health. This action not only lowers interest expenses, but also reflects an improved credit profile, likely leading to increased investor interest. On the leadership front, the appointment of James Brennan as Chief Financial Officer underscores SUNE's commitment to effective management during this critical growth phase. The forthcoming participation in the 37th Annual Roth Conference will further showcase SUNation's strategic vision to investors, potentially stimulating stock demand. Overall, these developments indicate a strong trajectory for SUNE, with both short-term gains expected from increased financial backing and a promising long-term outlook as the company continues to expand its operations in the sustainable energy sector. Investors may want to keep a close eye on SUNation as it capitalizes on these recent advancements. Analysts have assigned SUNation Energy stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SUNation Energy. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, April 9, 2025, and so far it has risen 108.12%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The stock for SUNation Energy Inc. holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. With the long-term average positioned above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. Should the stock continue to gain, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $0.311. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $0.0305. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will produce an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often abbreviated as MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 67 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 13 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SUNation Energy. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform quite poorly in the upcoming days. This stock can exhibit significant movement throughout the day, demonstrating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.0136 between its high and low, which represents an increase of 41.21%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 45.14%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SUNation Energy, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is operating at a loss or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may point to inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SUNation Energy. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SUNation Energy is at 0.05. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering an entry into the market. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to evaluate for swing trading opportunities. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this level, which indicates that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under specific conditions. It is advisable to proceed with caution and to consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such scenarios. The combined average rating for SUNation Energy from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest trade took place on December 11, 2024, when Lacey Roger HD conducted an insider purchase of 480 shares of common stock. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is SUNation Energy stock a good buy? SUNation Energy Incorporated holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. We have updated our analysis conclusion from a strong sell to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of April, we expect SUNation Energy to open lower by 8 thousandths and begin trading at 402 thousandths. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.